Big grants are won or lost on paperwork. The registrations tracker follows every funder application, its deadlines, and each document we still owe. Let me open it. The Dangote Foundation has opened a grant window for our school feeding program. I start a new registration to track our application. As soon as I choose the funder, ZetaFisc carries their classification over automatically. The Dangote Foundation is a foundation, and I confirm that donor type here, so every application is properly categorized for our reports. Every funder wants a checklist of documents. I add each requirement, mark what is done, and note what is still outstanding. The form is complete, so I save the registration. And here it is on the tracker. Both required documents are now submitted, so the progress bar is full, though the overall application stays in progress against the Dangote deadline until the foundation responds. A grant application is worked by more than one person. My colleague Grace, another fundraising officer, takes it from here. She signs in with her own account and her own donation sheet. This is now Grace Bello, you can see her name at the top right. She opens the same registrations tracker. Grace can open and work the Dangote application even though I created it. The board resolution has just come in, so she updates the overall status and the note. She saves her change. Every fundraising record now has its own detail page. Grace opens the Dangote application from the I button on the row. Here is the whole application on one page, the donor and their type, the officer, the overall status, every deadline, the portal link, and each required document with its progress bar. And at the foot of the page, the complete activity history. Two different people on one record, Ada Okafor created the registration, and Grace Bello later moved it to documents outstanding, each change shown as the old value against the new value, with a name, an avatar, and a timestamp. Nothing is ever lost.